Hey everybody, Kevin here, Brick Building Biker. We're going to take a look at, wow, this set caught my eye, set 42136. It's a Technic set, another Technic set. Couple things I love here. First thing is Technic. Second thing is farm equipment. I've always loved tractors and all that sort of stuff. So here's the Technic John Deere 9620R four-wheel drive tractor with little honey wagon there, whatever they call it. But yeah, we're going to put this guy together. He's 390 pieces. It's a rather inexpensive set. I think 40 bucks or something like that. 50 bucks, I don't know. It's cheap. It's right in the price range right now. So we're going to, we'll do a time-lapse build on it. We'll check it out. And there's another little one that was just a little front-end loader that maybe we'll do, we'll take a look at that in the same video here. Just get rid of some of the farm equipment and tractor stuff all in one video. So we are finished building on the John Deere tractor. So that was set 42136. It's got the little John Deere tractor and the tractor and the little honey wagon here. I just put a couple tires in it. You can put some bale loads in it or whatever. I chucked a minifigure in there just to, you know, see what it looked like, and it kind of fits. It kind of looks okay. Interesting build. I love how the little honey wagon works when you, or the dump wagon here, when you throw the thing up, you can stop it at any position and it'll hold there. Real fun play piece. Holy smokers. The back is the steering mechanism and stuff like that. So yeah, this, you know, if I was a younger lad, this thing would have been amazing to have just as a play piece. And it's cool to look at. It's cool to drive around, and it doesn't have a real tight turning radius, but cool enough. So I guess let's, without further ado, we'll flip the camera around here and we'll take a quick look at this bad boy. So here it is in all its glory. I'm going to actually turn it around. So you can see I placed the minifigure in there. He's just chillaxing in there. He can't wear a hat or anything. He's bald. He's a bald farmer. So it's kind of like, that's kind of be. This is the steering mechanism back here. Works fantastic. And like I said, this thing just looks cool. The front end looks cool. Let's just turn this guy around so let's get a front end look at him. The front end looks good. Some sticker placement on there, and the exhaust, the intake, the big tires. These are always my favorite tractors, the articulated jobs. And yeah, like I said, so there's its turning mechanism. And surprisingly enough, there's 390 pieces in this set, and it takes a little bit to get together because you're dealing with a whole bunch of Technic pins, and you can disconnect the trailer from right here. This is the lever I was telling you about. So when you turn the lever, wherever, even with a load in there, like I got those two tires in there, it stays. And as you can see, there, it dumps the load out. Just a pretty simple Technic design, but works really well. It's got a stopper right back here. You can see the ball. That'll stop it right on this bar, so that that's as far as it goes. And then the tires are actually, like, if you're going through terrain, they'll cantilever quite a bit. So that's kind of cool. You can play with this bad boy anywhere. But yeah, if you were to do, it'd be cool to actually get a few of these and just set up like an implement dealership or whatever if you have a big enough layout, and it would look fantastic. The other set, there's another set, this guy here, it's another farm set, 148 pieces, 60287. It's pretty neat as well, so that'll kind of be the next one. It looks minifigure scale as well. Obviously, they got a minifigure driving it, but I think the two of them will go kind of well together. This one might be a wee bit bigger, but it's got a bunny and there's a pumpkin in there. Look at the pumpkin. Huh. So, yeah, it's got some cool stuff in there. But I think I'll build it maybe in a little bit here when we get some time. But yeah, there's a little look at this fella. So as always, thanks for checking out this little short, guys. It means a lot to me. Like, subscribe, that sort of stuff. If you like what you see, comment. I'll always try to get back to you. But yeah, stay tuned for some more content. Thanks. Stay safe.